Hello everyone, thank you for stopping at the stamp station. Today we're doing some organizing, so welcome to Mission Organization. I want to show you how I store my paper pumpkins. The paper pumpkin is a monthly craft kit that comes delivered in a box straight to your door. Everything you need to finish the project is inside. It comes in a nice sturdy box, but after 6 of these boxes, chances are you run out of room. So here is my space-saving method that works for me in my craft room. I like to be able to see what I have. If I see it, I will use it. If it's in a box, I do not know what's inside, and chances are I do not open it. This is what all comes in your box. The ink spot goes in my drawer where I keep the rest of my ink spots. The glue dots and dimensionals go where I keep my other glue dots and dimensionals. I can always add some back in case I travel with my kit. This kit comes with some linen thread. I like everything nice and flat, so I wind it on one of those embroidery floss bobbins. I will show you in a little bit how I store my stamps. The rest of the kit I stack neatly. Envelopes, card bases, tags, labels, die cuts. Just make a neat stack with all of it. I wrap my instructions around this entire stack and place it in one of these clear envelopes that my dies come in. I store my dies with my stamps, so I have both sizes of these envelopes left over and I can use them for the paper pumpkin kits. The large one I use for the kit. The smaller ones I use for the stamps. If you don't have any of those, you can find similar ones online. Everything slides right into the envelope. And the linen thread fits inside as well. So I know which kit it is. I make a label with my label maker and place it at the top of the envelope. See how much flatter this envelope is when you hold it right next to the box? The stamps I store in the smaller one of the clear envelopes the dies come in. And I print off the case insert from the current month's paper pumpkin kit. I get it in an email each month straight from Paper Pumpkin. I know there are files out on the internet with all of the paper pumpkin case inserts from past year kits. I fold it right at the date line. I trim off the edges with my paper trimmer. Cut it to about 5 inches. This size would depend on the size of your envelope. When I slide this in my envelope, I can see the kit in the front and I can see how the stamp set looks on the back. The stamp set fits right in between. And I use a label for the top. All my paper pumpkin stamp sets are stored in a box by month and year, and all my kits are stored the same way in a different box. This is how I store my paper pumpkins. Maybe you were looking for a space-saving way to store yours as well. This method works for me. I use my kits so much more because I can see them and they are not hiding in a box. I hope this video was helpful and maybe you want to try it out as well. Thank you for stopping at the stamp station.